Well, in the last video on my 97, I told you that the next video would be the Martys E-Fuel, and
it's a fucking lie. Nobody calls me a liar.
What we're gonna be doing today is I'm gonna try to remove the bed. And the reason I'm gonna remove the bed, two parts. I want to sandblast the frame and paint it, and I need to get to the top of the tanks for the sending unit. Both tanks are full. It's easier to remove the bed than it would be to drop both tanks. Basically, first things first, got to take the filler necks off. Then I'm gonna put the truck up on the lift it up, and we'll try to get the bed bolts out. There are 6 bed bolts, and these ones are coated in bed liner. So I don't know what's gonna happen. Got to take these 3 bolts out. 1, 2, 3. Get the truck up on the lift, see if we can get this bed off. By the way, I'm Elliot. This is Everything Elliot. Thanks for watching. So we've got the truck in the air, filler necks disconnected there, both of them disconnected, and it's gonna be kind of tough to see. But on the back side of the filler neck, there's also this worm gear clamp. You need to disconnect this because this is actually holding that to the bed. In the rear, there are these 2 electrical connections that go to your lights, I believe. You need to disconnect those. And then there's 6 bolts. It's gonna be kind of tough to see, but there's one right there, right above my finger. Obviously, opposite side, one right there. It's kind of also tough to see. Oh, there you go, one right there. There's one in front of this rear tank. Again, there it is right there. Opposite side. My exhaust is probably gonna be a pain. It's gonna be in the way. And then you've got 2 up front. One I've already taken off here. And then on the other side of the gas tank, again, tough to see, but one right there. So in a total, you've got 6 little screws for the filler neck, the 2 worm gears, 2 electrical connections, and 6 bolts. So I'm gonna start getting this all disconnected, just taking the bolts off, and I'll be back when it's time to get the bed off. So I've got everything disconnected underneath. Got all 6 bolts out. They all came out nice and easy. Well, I shouldn't say easy. They were a little pain to get to, but now I've got the top of the bolt here, and everything is bed linered in. So what I think I'm gonna try to do is chip away some of this bed liner. I don't know if these bolts are meant to come out. I think they are, but I've never taken any of these out before. So I'm gonna try to chip away at this, and then I'll lift the truck back up and hit it with a punch from underneath, see if I can pound the bolts out. But everything went pretty smoothly. So I'm gonna grab a, I don't know, chisel or something, see if I can pop some of this bed liner away. So I'll be back, and I don't know, we'll see what the next update is. So the truck's outside. Turns out, it appears like my carriage bolts are welded in. So there's nothing much I can do. I lift it up all around the bed on all 4 corners, make sure the bed is nice and free. And now we're gonna get the tractor out here because I have a tractor. That'll be the easiest way to lift the bed off of this truck. But before we can do that, we gotta wake up Theodore. Theodore, wake up. I need the tractor, bud. Can you get off for me? Come on. Come here. Come here. Come here. Oh, good stretch. Come on. Look at how filthy you are. Yeah. It's a good boys. Okay. Look at this mess. Okay. Let's get the tractor outside and get it positioned to lift the bed off this thing. So I've gone with the old Kubota L4701 and the 3 points of contact. We've got 1 over to this side and 2 on that side on each corner. I'm hoping this works.
Trust me, that's a terrible idea.
I don't know. I guess we'll find out. I'm gonna just try to lift it about 1 inch, and then I wanna get underneath it, make sure nothing's hung up, and we'll go from there. Well, that didn't work. Broke a strap. Bigger straps? I don't know. I'll go get it hooked up and we'll try again. All right, sorry about the wind, but we're outside. This time, we're gonna go with the 4-strap method instead of the 3-strap method. and see how this goes. Yeah. Okay, let's do it. All right, the bed is off of it. And like I was saying, the frame is not in terrible condition. I've certainly seen worse. You know, a couple spots here and there, but we're gonna sandblast it. Truck is ready to sandblast. Now, I've never used this sandblaster before. I'm sure there's adjustments I'm gonna have to do to it, but I tried a little bit right there, and it seemed to work a little bit. So I'm gonna go get some ear protection, eye protection, some headphones because it's noisy, and oh yeah, a little respirator. And we should be able to get to town.
So fine, so smooth.
So I know I don't have the proper PPE. I don't have a hood. I probably should have one, but whatever. So it's working pretty well. Some spots better than others, but I'm pretty happy with it. So I'm pretty much just going to chug along and get everything done. I assume it's gonna take me like, I don't know, 2 hours probably, but oh well. So I'll give you guys an update in a little while and let you know how it's going. Just to give you an update, it's the end of the day. The sun is going down. I had to do a ton of running around, so I didn't get as much done as I wanted to, but I got the top and side of this side of the truck, the passenger side, from the cab back done. So day 2 of sandblasting. If you can hear the pitter patter on the roof, you might be able to tell that it's raining outside. So I only could get, you know, from the front of the rear tire to the cab done today. The other side of the frame, the outside is completely done. I'm still gonna have to reach over and do the inside here. But I think it's coming along fairly well. I'll be able to paint over that, no problem. It'll look somewhat decent. So I'm hoping it doesn't rain tomorrow so I can really get into this and I guess we'll update you then. So it's like day 3 of sandblasting. I'm probably covered in filth, but I've got the truck done. It is raining outside. Somebody had already painted this frame. It looked like 2 or 3 times. So I wanted to get all that flaky paint off. This is what we've got. I know it's really dirty still. And what I'm thinking about doing is getting the power washer out and power washing everything. I've never sandblasted anything like this down to bare metal, but I know I can't paint it like this. It is going to need to be cleaned. So I'm gonna fire up the power washer, nothing to it, hose it down, and we'll see what it looks like afterwards. I'll be back with you guys in a little bit. Well, folks, she's all cleaned up. Got everything washed off. Looks clean under there. I did lay underneath the truck and do the underside as well. Underneath the cab, I should say. So I'd say that's just about ready to be painted. Yeah, I got as much as I could underneath the frame in there. Might be kind of tough to tell, but I think we're in pretty good shape to slap some paint on this old girl. But it's clean, it's ready for paint, and that's gonna be a different video because I imagine it's gonna be like a week or 2 before I can get some paint in and I can go down that road. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching me prep this frame for paint. I think that's all I did in this video. I don't know, it's been so long. It's been like a week and a half in the making. Oh, I took the bed off, and that's about it. So hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe so you can continue watching me work on videos, and I've got a bunch of other videos. I don't just work on this truck on this channel. I split wood, I use my tractor, do outdoor stuff. It's a ton of fun. I got a bunch of video. Check out some playlists, and don't forget to subscribe. Until the next one, hope you guys have a great day.